Okay, so when you're finding the discount, we're going to use this equation. The discount equals the percent of the original price. Now, when we have a percent, we always have to, yes, great. Okay, so the discount is always going to be the percent as a decimal. So we just write that in parentheses, and that will be multiplied by the original price. Okay, so the discount is the percent as a decimal, and that's going to be multiplied by the original price. Okay, so all I want you to do now is I want you to write this percent as a decimal, and I want you to plug in the original price, and then you're going to multiply those together. Okay? For part A, your percent as a decimal, Keith, what was your percent as a decimal? Well, yep, yes, 0.60, great. And you can use 0.60, or I saw some of you use 0.6, that is great. They're both the same thing. And then the original price of the bike was $220. All right, when you multiply that together, you should have got, Stacey, tell me what you got for that. Did you get 132? Yeah, okay, yeah. I was like, I know I came and checked that. Okay, so, yep, so 132. So your original price is how much the bike costs at the start, which was $220. Okay, minus the discount, which we just found was $132. All right, and then Erica, what'd you get for your final price? Did you subtract those two? 220 minus 132. You did? Okay, tell me what you got again. Yep, great. Nice job. All right, now for B, this one's a little bit different. So it says Ray paid $12 for a $15 t-shirt. So they're telling you what the final price was. What you have to find this time is the discount. So in A, we were given it was 60% off. We have to figure out what percent off the t-shirt was. Okay, and in order to do that, again, there's just going to be two steps. Okay, so I'm going to write out the first equation for you. So to find the discount, you're going to take the original price, and I'm just going to use the money sign for the price, minus the sale price. All right, so what I want you to do is I'll give you a minute to fill in the original price of the shirt and the sale price of the shirt, and then subtract those together. So you're plugging in the original price and the sale price, and then we're going to calculate those. Okay, so your original price, Ryan, what'd you plug in for that one? Yeah.
So, like the original was like 15.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And here's a hint too, because maybe some other people were confused too. the original price should always be more than the sale price, right? Okay, so with the 12 and the 15, the original would be the 15, sale would be 12, and then you'd subtract. Okay, so the discount, I'm going to put disc, okay, was $3. Okay, yeah, so it was $3 off, all right? Then your second step is to find what the percent was. So we're going to use that the discount equals the percent as a decimal multiplied by the original price. So that's the same equation that we used in part A, but it's going to look a little bit different when we fill it in. So I'll give you a second to write that down. And is there any one of these three that we feel really confident plugging in? Is there something that we know? The discount, the percent as a decimal, or the original price? Yes, but is there anything, like, do I know one of these, do I feel really strongly about, do I know what one of those is? Are you going to answer my question? Just wait till we're done. Right, so which one of these you guys feel very confident about? I was thinking you'd feel really confident, Gabriel. I thought you'd feel really confident about the original price. Because didn't we just talk about what that is? Yeah, what's the original price? Yep. Okay, and then the discount, that's what we just found. That's the 3. And then remember, they're asking you what was the percent discount, so that's going to be X. So we are going to have to solve for X. All right, and then Joey, you want to tell me how to solve it? Because I think you just said it a moment ago. So you want to divide both sides, and then how do you know whether you want to divide each side by 15 or 3? Always divide by what's on the same side as the variable. Exactly. Good. So I'm going to divide both sides by what number? 15. Good. So what that does here is it cancels those out, right? 15 divided by 15 is 1. And then let's divide 3 by 15. Yep, so you get 0.2. And then how do you guys want to convert that to a percent? Do you want to multiply by 100? I know some people like doing the multiply by 100 in their calculator, because if you do 0.2 times 100, it will give you the whole number, right? It'll give you the 20, so you know that it'll be 20%. Okay, so it was 20% off. Okay.